truck, it takes a beating. They're going through sand, mud, any type of rocky terrain off-road.
This Humvee was used by the military until the Ulster County Sheriff's Department acquired it for free from the Department of Defense Military Excess Property Program, known as the 1033 program. Its value was clear from the day it arrived.
The first day that we had it, we brought it back from Fort Drum where we picked it up. And within 8 hours, we pressed it into service to rescue flooding victims up in the town of Shandaken. And it was utilized actually to recover about 13 homeowners that were stranded in the floods. So that was just one of the benefits that we were able to utilize on this truck immediately.
New York had let its involvement in the 1033 program lapse, but kicked it back into gear again in 2009. Vehicles and other equipment cost taxpayers nothing except shipping costs. This Humvee was worth $49,000 when it was built in 1986.
We work with DCJS to see what is available through the 1033 program, and once we find something that could be utilized by our members, we will look at it, see what type of modifications we will have to do to make it different than military, and work with them, achieve the vehicle or achieve the piece of equipment, and put it into service. When you have a positive end result like this vehicle for the use of the men and women of law enforcement, it's definitely worth it.
In the few months since the Sheriff's Department got the Humvee, 20 Sheriff's Department employees have been trained how to operate it. And when it rolls down Kingston city streets, it turns heads, and deputies hope it sends a message to criminals that they mean business.
Absolutely. I think without a question it's going to save lives.
So how do local agencies go about getting this equipment that ranges from Humvees to planes to winter clothing to weapons and more? Bill Holt of DCJS is the New York State 1033 program point of contact and helps departments cut through the red tape.
It's a lot of property that in this tough economic times that we're having and low budgets that police departments and sheriff's offices would not otherwise be able to get. In a lot of cases, the equipment's not new, but with some volunteer work or a little bit of money, this property can be put to use very quickly, and it works out very well for the law enforcement agencies.
This is Judy Sanders for Centerpiece.